1.2 crore rupees of your taxpayer money was spent to bring artificial rain in Delhi yesterday. And the result of that experiment is in front of your eyes. We are currently in the Burari area of Delhi, and this is one of those areas where the Delhi government, in collaboration with IIT Kanpur, conducted the cloud seeding experiment to bring artificial rain to reduce pollution. You can see a thick layer of dust here, which shows you that there was no rain at all. Still, there's extremely high pollution here that I can feel in my throat. But what exactly happened? What really went wrong? So an aircraft injected a chemical mixture of sodium iodide into the clouds here. But for such a cloud seeding experiment to be successful, you need a moisture content of around 50% in the clouds. But in this case, it was only 10 to 15%, which is why this experiment was unsuccessful. Now, while the AQI in this area did go down by about 10%, possibly because of increased humidity due to this cloud seeding experiment, experts say that this is an extremely temporary solution. Even if artificial rain would have happened, it would have only brought down the AQI for 1 or 2 days, because none of these solutions target air pollution at its source. Sources like vehicular pollution, industries and construction. Now, even more such cloud seeding trials are planned. But the question is, can it be justified to spend crores of taxpayer money on these temporary solutions like artificial rain, smog towers, smog guns and water sprinklers, solutions that are good for optics at best?